Welcome to my videos on homeopathy. I take up maladies in the eye which can be identified by looking at the color of the eye. Homeopathic system prescribes medicines looking at the symptoms. Color is a very important symptom. If an eye has been injured, a bruise has been caused, the skin around the eye becomes dark because of coagulation of blood below the surface, and the surrounding area gets swollen. Administer Arnica 200 as early as possible. If there is a concussion, that is, the eye or the head has hit against something, give Ledum 200. It is specific for an injury to the nerves. If the eyes are yellow, dirty yellow, in the whites there is liver malfunction, there is pain over the right eye, Chelidonium 30 is the prescribed remedy. If the liver and the spleen of the patient are enlarged and the conjunctiva becomes yellow, the patient is restless and apathetic, Chionanthus 30 is indicated. A patient sees countless stars in flickering colors. He has a digestive upset. His vision dims on waking up. Give him Cyclamen 30. In case the objects appear green and yellow, there are black floaters in the line of vision, it's a sign of detached retina and it requires Digitalis 30. If the iris of the patient is muddy in color, it neither contracts nor dilates, the lids are swollen, the skin is peeling off, is red, burning, Merck Core 30 would give relief. If a patient sees a green halo around candlelight, if letters appear red, if there are black floaters in the line of vision, it indicates thrombosis in retinal vessels. There is pain in the orbits, the bones above the eye. We prescribe Phosphorus 200. Choose the medicines according to symptoms. The dose will be 4 to 6 pills on dry tongue 4 times a day for a few days. Discontinue the medicine as soon as a cure occurs. Going beyond this would aggravate the problem. Homeopathic medicines can be stored for a long time if kept away from heat, sunlight and moisture. It's a very effective system. The only thing that has to be taken care of is the choice of the remedy. I wish you the best. I shall come back with another topic next time.